Good morning, third and fourth graders. Good to see everyone today. We are going to start your day off with a morning meeting. So we're going to start with our greeting and ask everyone to do an elbow bump. Looking good. And why don't you say good morning and wave to someone around you?
Good morning, Miss Manaz.
Good morning, Miss
This morning for our share, we're going to have your teachers just talk a little bit about what they've been up to over the last few days, and then we can't wait to start distance learning so we can hear about your spring break too. So, Mrs. Gallagher, do you want to start us off with your share?
Sure, I've been spending a lot of time trying to train our puppy how to fetch and also how to come when she's outside playing and running around. Also, we've been making brownies twice a week this week, so it's been really fun.
How about you, Mrs. Hussein?
So, Ms. Gallagher, I have a connection to you. I've also been doing lots of baking. In fact, I baked my own birthday cake. And in addition to that, I have been working on my fractured fairy tale, Cinderella.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Hussein.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Hussein.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
And Miss McGee, how have your few days been?
They have been exciting. I've been doing lots of planning, getting ready for all the learning we're going to do over our Google Meets and our meetings, and just trying to be as happy as possible.
And Miss Yater, how about you?
So I am very happy that my younger brother is home from college, and so I have been playing games with him and my family. We've been playing some Monopoly.
Love it. Wonderful. And third and fourth graders, we have a little activity and a little challenge we're going to ask you to do today, and Miss McGee is going to tell us a little bit about that.
That's right. Third and fourth grade, we're asking you guys to do one act of kindness. Try and do one every single day. But to start, do one with your family and then send us an email of a picture or a video or a little explanation of what you did and how it made you feel.
All right. Thank you, ladies. All right, friends. We'll see you soon. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Bye.